3.5 gigahertz. You've seen that number on every computer ad. It isn't exactly speed, it's a drumbeat. Inside every CPU is a clock, a tiny crystal that ticks billions of times per second. One tick is a clock cycle, and on every tick, the whole chip takes exactly one step together. Why the drumbeat? Because millions of circuits have to stay in step. Signals need time to ripple through the gates, so the clock waits for the slowest one. Then, next. 3.5 gigahertz means 3.5 billion steps every second. Each step is tiny. Fetch something, add something, move something. It's just unimaginably fast. So why not tick even faster? Heat and physics. Signals can't cross the chip in time. That's why modern computers stopped racing the clock and started adding cores instead. One crystal, billions of steps. The clock is the heartbeat of computing.